Brad, Weather Center, want to bring you a quick update on some storms that are moving through the viewing area. Most of these have been just under the severe category, but there's definitely some strong storms with some gusty winds and some hail that are out there. At the moment, there are no severe thunderstorm warnings from the National Weather Service, but we are monitoring a couple different lines of storms. We'll start over in Liberty County as we move up towards Shepherd. You can see when we see the lighter blue coloring here, that's a good indication that we're probably seeing some hail that's falling within this storm. Then going back in towards Conroe and down to Montgomery and to the Woodlands and into the Spring, some storms moving just through Pinehurst right now. Some strong storms that'll continue to move down at about a 30-mile-an-hour pace, so definitely moving quickly. And our southern counties are also having another separate line of storms that are impacting those. That's going to be down in Brazoria County, now moving into Galveston County. You can see moving through Angleton, parts of Alvin. Those are those stronger storms. Definitely hail a possibility. Winds up to 40 miles an hour. Another one of those scenarios that we're watching. Just now moving through Sealy and getting a little bit closer into Katy is another sort of a ragged line of storms. So we've got several different areas where we're all moving through and they're quickly moving through. So we're not looking for a flooding threat. But the National Weather Service does have most of our viewing areas still under that severe thunderstorm watch up until 2 a.m. And the main thing we'll be watching is for this line of storms to see that it clears the area without having any of those concerns that we've been talking about. The large hail is a possibility. We have had some of those in our area around a little bit outside of the Houston area, but definitely up to a little bit further north towards Madisonville. We did see some stronger storms that had some larger hail. We're also looking at those gusty winds as a threat of some damaging winds, and then we can't rule out the possibility of a tornado. Earlier we did have a warning or two of 4 tornadoes that were radar indicated. So we'll continue to keep you updated here as we move through the night. Perhaps it's not a good idea to leave anywhere that you are if you're in a safe and sheltered place, depending on where you are and lining up with some of these storms. And we'll keep you updated here into programming as necessary. Also, don't forget to keep up with us at fox26houston.com and, of course, the Fox 26 weather app.